I hear the strains of that sweet halekoki, and stealing from afar off guitar peneno, when leli'u'e makes you sway in the moonlight, I know the reason why fair Hawaii haunts you so. The lovely blue of sky and the sapphire of ocean, the flashing white of cloud and of waves foaming crest, the many shades of green from the plains to the mountain, with all the brightest hues of the rainbow we're blessed. I hear the swish of rain as it sweeps down the valleys. I hear the song of wind as it sighs in the trees. I hear the crash of waves on the rocks and the beaches. I hear the hissing surf and the boom of the sea. I love to dance and sing of the charms of Hawaii, and from a joyful heart sing aloha to you. In every note I'll tell of the spell of my islands, for then I know that you'll be in love with them too. For then I know that